So it's the day before June, and you can definitely tell that summer is right around the corner, in flower terms at least. Here's one reason why. Fuchsia. Almost there. Little buds just coming out. One there. One there. So I very much look forward to that coming out because the back bed's been a bit lame so far, to be honest. We've got a new Tiarella that I bought, is obviously doing well, and the geranium has flowered quite nicely, and the Dicentral Aurora came out and looked nice, and now it's currently looking like it's kind of dying, but it keeps going till goodness knows, actually pretty late August, September I think, but it kind of dies off and comes back in several waves. And let's look at what else is right on the brink of summer. Blue strife are almost joining the party. They'll be very unmissable when they do. And here we are just 2 days later, and they're coming out. You can also see just about new growth on this tool thing, which is sorry you can't see my hand, this tool thing, new growth, which is a verbena I think, and here you can just see phlox, which is a kind of shocking pink colour. Down in here, the jury is still out whether my tool lobelia is going to come back to life or not. So here in the front bed we've got the summer bedding plants that should have died over winter but didn't. We've got these very on brand light blue ones, and then over here we've got some still mostly on brand dark blue ones, and then we've got some unfortunately pinky purple ones which aren't really in my colour scheme, but it's all one and the same plant, so I can't really pick and choose. Anyway, like I said, I didn't expect any of it to live, and it might not live next winter, and depending on how long I live here I might eventually pick something else that I prefer and just rip it all out and replace it, but for the time being it's making its little contribution. Here you can see the poor wood sage that I had to decapitate last week is doing its little best to regrow from the bottom upwards, and behind it the Amistad sage. This colour, I just can't get enough of this colour, it's amazing. Look at that. That's a little bit of lavender coming out as well. Happy days. And a couple of days later than my previous footage of this sage. Previously showed you this main flower on top, but I've now noticed it's got some more little ones there and there, so that's nice. Roll on June. So look at this. My clem is actually getting some sunlight. And I think that might be about the first time it's ever happened, because this wall is north facing, so you wouldn't expect it to really get much sunlight. I think it'll last for about 5 minutes, because it's coming through here, and before my neighbour took his tree out, that was all solid tree, so it never happened until then, and it never happened since then before today, I don't think, because I left the shed door open, which does that. So now I know if I close that door, then for all of 5-10 minutes in the morning, my clem will actually get some pure sunlight to photosynthesize with, which is good, because it's up here, and a bit of it that I accidentally killed there has turned out to not be a problem, fingers crossed, because it's sprayed another shoot from down there. Happy days.